Here's how to 3D Kitbash directly in Chitubox. I'm going to be making a company commander for my Tallarn army. My army is inspired by Tatooine, robotics, and desert raiders. The first step is to get some inspiration and see what other people have done. Next, I check Battlescribe to see what a company commander can take, and make sure to add something that could count as one of the options. I'm going to be making my guy have a power sword and a sort of las pistol that could hopefully count as a shotgun as well. Then it just takes finding objects you think would look cool on the model. I'm going to be combining parts from two kits I find cool, parts from Reptilian Overlords and the Maker's Cult. I've included links to the kits below. Next, scale, move, and rotate the objects into place and see how it looks. Save constantly. Chitubox has a very nice habit of crashing. Also, vaguely remember the Z value. For some reason, Chitubox resets that value down to 0 sometimes. I want the backpack to be more interesting and match the robotic look of the new face, so I'll take the legs and torso from the Dark Techno Stalker kit and scale them down and clip them into the backpack. The ball joint from the legs works perfectly as some sort of power orb or crystal that matches the look of the rest of my army. I thought the big turbine from the torso looked cool too. Maybe it could help him move quicker. As long as it looks cool and you can come up with some sort of BS reason for something to be on the mini, go for it. I was a graphic design major, so I got pretty good at BSing. Sometimes a random object scaled up or down, flipped upside down, and buried half into another object can look almost unrecognizable and be the missing piece to the puzzle, so make sure to experiment with a lot of pieces. After everything is in place, you can save as and then save as an STL. Newer versions of Chitubox has a feature where you can control-click and then select the specific parts you want to export. This is great if you have a ton of different objects in the project. Exporting as a new object is important because it makes adding supports a lot simpler and it can cut down on the amount needed. It also helps you rotate and scale the new 3D Kitbashed object without any problems. Then go ahead and add the supports to your new model. I've made a tutorial on how to add supports if you're interested. Then print and enjoy your new custom mini that is unique to you. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Alright, bye-bye.